Hello guys, I'm Julian, and today in this video I show you how I put new cable in the old tube, electric cable with these tools. Let's see how it works. I have like 5 meters from here to there. I have 3 cable here, electric cable, and I want to put 5. But I need to take out 1 or 2 to put the other. Let's see how it works. If your electric tube is Copex, like here, how I have here, I don't know if you see very well. What I do, I cut this one to be like this. I have something like this first, and now I cut the front to be like this, because if you don't do this, he's stuck in the tube. I put this cable, and now I need to take the electric cable. Let's see how it works. I hang up the cables here. We have all the cables here. I hang up them with one of these. I put here and here, like you see. Now let's see if it works. I succeeded, but you need 2 persons. One to pull from here, one to push over there. And here I put the tape, and I take out that red, because my Copex was very small. I take out this one. My Copex was very small, and this one was a little smaller than the Copex, and it's hard to take the cable through the Copex with this one. If you have the hard cable like this one, the mission is harder. If you have a cable like this, don't know if you see, the mission is very easy, because this one is easy to turn and this one is not so easy.